Hi, in this video I'll show you where to find your schedule and how it works. On myhanze.nl, go to the application overview and click the button for your timetable. The first time you log in, you'll enter your program, year of study and class number. After that, your schedule will load automatically. Click on any class to see more details like the location and the lecturer's code. At first, you might not know which code belongs to which teacher, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it quickly. You can view both your class schedule and your exam schedule by using the checkboxes like this. If you're studying with additional facilities, don't forget to click the personal box. This shows you what applies to your personal exam situation. Want to sync your schedule with your phone or calendar? Then use this icon. You can even set up your preferences, for example, whether or not you want reminders. Just click Add and it will sync up automatically with your device. And that's how your schedule works. Enjoy!